Let's go over selecting a course on Workstation. First, we'll log in as a server to create a new ticket on the order entry screen. Here we are selecting an appetizer to get the order started. Now, we'll select an item that has been assigned to a course from the menu. Let's also select the required modifiers for it. In our case, the item we selected has Place Item on Hold automatically enabled, so it is immediately placed on hold and is listed as part of the main course. Let's also add an item that is not typically placed on hold, like a drink order, for example. And we'll add another appetizer. Now, this appetizer is not part of a course, but let's say the table wants it as part of the main course. We can add it to the course by tapping the coursing button, followed by the course we want to assign it to. And now we'll hit Send, and we'll select Send and Continue to complete the ticket and print out a kitchen split for the unheld items. If we look at the ticket now, we can see the two items that were placed on hold. When the course item is ready to be sent to the kitchen, open the ticket and select the course item that you would like to move off hold status. For this, you can select items individually to send one at a time, or simply tap on the course to select all of the items within it. Now tap Unhold Items, followed by Send to have the rest of the ticket submitted.